Good afternoon, grade 10s. It's me again, Hector Nkosi. I'll be taking you for mathematics today, as usual, and I've got sad news. I'm not sure how you're going to feel about those news, but today it's my last day with you guys. Um, yeah, it's my last day with you guys. From Monday, you'll be getting a new teacher. And also, I was told that I need to tell you guys that from Monday, your class will change. The time of the class will change. It will be 2 o'clock. It won't be 3 o'clock anymore. So please bear that in mind that the class for maths grade 10, it's no longer 2 o'clock. It's no longer 3 o'clock, but it's 2 o'clock. It has been moved to 2 o'clock. So yeah, guys, this is my last time with you today. I hope someone is asking why. It's because I have grade 12s. I teach grade 12s and I have to go back to work on Monday. So, and I can't do 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So I can only do grade 12s. Grade 12s, I'm only teaching them at 4 o'clock. So it works so much better. But I'm sorry, guys. If you want to ask any questions, you are more than welcome to email me at nkosihector@gmail.com. Even if I'm no longer teaching you anymore, I'll miss you too, guys. I know it hurts, but yeah, I'll definitely miss you guys, the bond that we've created and stuff. Okay, but guys, don't worry. I'm always here. You always have my email address. Don't forget to always email me at nkosihector28@gmail.com. Um, as today we'll be looking at functions. We'll try to finish off functions today. Yeah, so yeah, okay, let's continue with our last question that we were busy with yesterday. I know it's Friday, majority of you, I'm sure, are tired, but yeah, let's try to push as much as we can because we love maths. Maths is fun, isn't it? So I'll just need to stop sharing and reshare again. Okay. All right. Okay. So, boys and girls, yesterday I've given you this work and I said to you, you must do 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5. So I love what I love in class, guys. I love when someone interact with one another, guys. So if you've got any if you know any answer, okay, here we were given, if I can show you, here it was question 5 from November 2015. You were given two graphs, a hyperbola graph of which is given by f of x, and you were also given a straight line graph of which it was given by g of x, and it had points of a and point of b. Yeah, so we did 5.1, 5.2. Now we were left with 5.3. So 5.3 says to you, for which values of x is g of x greater than or equals to f of x? Guys, as I told you, I love interaction. Who wants to participate? Who wants to tell me the answer for 5.3? Here are the equations. You should know your equations by now. For f of x are given, g of x, we know that we got a as 2, q as -2. So for which values of g of x is greater than or equals to f of x? Guys, please participate. You know, here in class, we always participate. Um, I always enjoy people who likes to participate. Aaron, can I unmute you? Hello, Aaron.
Hello, sir. I don't think I got this one right.
What did you do?
Sir, for the f of x, I said,
Yeah.
what's this? I mean, yes, f of x and g of x. I took the equation. So can you let me check on my tablet here?
Scroll up.
Yes, I took 1 over 1, the f of x graph 1 over x minus 1.
Yeah.
And I said, and I put it the what's this, that sign, the greater
Yeah, greater than or equals to.
yes, then I said x, then I put it the other greater sign.
Yeah.
Then I said 2x plus 2. Yes.
Yeah, you were supposed to say 2x minus 2 because
Yes.
q is given by a negative. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, you are right, but it's just that instead of plus 2, you're supposed to say minus 2 here because it's
Oh,
minus 2
yes.
because q is given by negative 2.
Yes, yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, but you are coming okay. Then after, what type of an equation is that? We did it. It's an inequality. Very good, Tino. It's an inequality, right? It's an inequality equation. Does it make sense, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for trying, my boy. Hey, I can see on Tatile, he has the answer. On Tatile, can I unmute you? Thank you so much, Aaron, for trying. Hey,
Yes.
I appreciate you so much, my boy. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Yes, on Tatile. Hello, on Tatile.
Hello, sir.
How are you, my boy?
I'm good, and you?
Perfect.
So then, sir,
So can you
essentially with
please
my
take us through?
yeah, so essentially with my reasoning, because
Yeah.
now it's what we're doing is essentially similar to 5.3, but then
Yes.
instead the symbol has changed. I essentially
Yes.
what our answers were from 5.3 and change
Yeah.
and change the symbols. But and since we didn't have to divide, since we didn't have to divide any negative numbers, I just left this the sign the way it was in the question.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Can you please take us step by step?
Okay.
Do you mind?
Yeah, so that's fine.
Is
So
it
then
fine?
now, so essentially you say gx is great.
G of x.
G of x is greater than f is greater or equal to f of x. So then essentially you would say 1 over x minus
Yes.
1 is
Yes.
greater than or equal to 2x minus 2.
Very good. Perfect. Right? Yes.
Then afterwards, you would bring then afterwards essentially you would bring 2x over to the other side and 1x to the other side.
Yes.
Then after that you would once again factorize by x.
Yes.
So then you would be left with 2x squared
Yes.
minus 1x plus 1
Yes.
after is greater than or equal to 0. Then then after that you just factorize and you get 2x plus 1, put them in brackets, and x minus 1 and put them in brackets is greater than or equal to 0. After that
Yes.
you would say x is equal to negative 1/2 or x is greater than or equal to 1.
Yes, yes. However, now yes, you are right. You are. That's perfect. It's either negative half or greater than or equals to 1. Can you see, guys? So that's what Untatile got. Thank you so much, my boy. Hey.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, guys, I'm going to miss you so much. Hey, all of you guys. Right. Okay, keep well, Untatile. I'm about to
Yes, sir.
mute you now. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Right. Okay, guys. On Saturday, try to explain 5.3. Basically, 5.3, guys, it was pretty much the same. It was pretty much the same as 5.2. So just take your 5.2 as it is, but put greater than or equals to. It's the same thing. I don't have to type a new thing, guys. It's the same thing because 5.2 was saying, let me show you. 5.2 was saying f of x is equals to g of x. 5.3 saying g of x is greater than or equals to f of x. You solve for x in both of them, basically. Does it make sense? No wonder here they showed you all the steps, but in 5.3, there are no steps because they are saying basically it's just a greater than or equals to sign, guys. Does it make sense? Okay. Perfect. Let's look at the 5.4. 5.4 says calculate the length of BE. BE. So here's B, here's E. What is the length of BE? Who can tell me the length of BE? And it's for 3 marks. BE. Length of BE. Okay, Aaron got 4. Aaron, what did you get? I can't see 4, 2/3. Oh, someone is asking why are you saying you're going to miss us? It's because it's my last day today, guys, with you. Going to miss you so much. Yeah. Okay. Who wants to explain to us? Yes, very good. Very good, Kamukhelo. You can use your distance formula. But before you use your distance formula, you need to have what you call, you need to have the coordinates of E first. You need to get coordinates of E first. Then once you've got coordinates of E, you can actually do what? You can actually calculate the distance formula. Already we know the x here of E is 3. Who can tell us? Guys, you should know your distance formula by now. You should know your distance formula. We did analytical geometry from 2 weeks back. So you should know your distance formula by now. Okay, Aaron, I'm about to unmute you. Yes, Aaron.
How are you, sir? I didn't use the what's this?
The distance formula.
Yes, sir. I said
Okay.
Since we know that what's this fx
Yeah. F of x.
Yes, the graph is 1, it's 1/x minus 1. So since x for the graph of x, since it's 3,
yeah,
x is 3 on the coordinates, it's 3 and 4. So I took x and I said 1/3 minus 1.
Yes, perfect.
Then I say negative 2/3, right?
Yes, guys, I hope you are seeing where Aaron is explaining. I'm pointing it also in the solution. Yes, continue, Aaron.
Then since I got the
negative.
Yes, I
2/3.
Yes, and then the 4? It's the y. It's on the coordinates. It's the
y-axis. Yes.
Yes, y-axis. So I say 4 plus 2/3. Oh wait, for the bracket it comes there. What's this? It's 4 minus bracket negative 2/3. Then I simplified it further. It was 4 plus 2/3.
Because we know that minus and a minus, it's a what?
It's a positive.
It's a positive. Very good, Aaron. Yes.
Then I say 4 plus 2/3 is 4. It's 4, 2/3. It's a mixed fraction.
It's a mixed fraction. Very good, my boy. So the length of BE is actually 4, 2/3, basically, right? Can you write, you can also write it as a decimal, right? How would you write it as a decimal? 4, 2/3. Yes. What is what?
It's what's this?
It's
4.6.
4.66. Yeah, it's 4.66, or you can say it's 4.67. That's your answer. Right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Aaron. Hey.
Yes, I'm going to miss you, sir.
Okay, I'm going to miss you too, my boy. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, thank you so much, Aaron. Aaron, he has just explained to us how we got the length of BE, guys. Basically, what happened here is, so this is the equation of 1 over x. So there was an x here, so we substituted by 3. Then your f of 3, we got negative 2 over 3. Then now we said with the length of 4 minus the f of 3, then we substituted what we got, negative 2 over 3 to negative 2 over 3 here. Therefore, 4 minus 2 over 3 is 4 plus 2 over 3. Therefore, this, it's a mixed fraction, can be written as 4 2 over 3, or it can be written as a decimal as 4.67. Very good. Now, I want us guys to look at the last one. The last one now says, write down the equation of h if h of x is equals to f of x plus 3. Very easy. So you take what? You take your f of x. Your f of x is 1 over x minus 1. You just need to add 3. Then the new graph, it will be called h of x. Who wants to explain? Who wants to give us the answer? Okay, because it's my last day today, I would love to point at people. Yes, Poppy, you'll be the next one. Poppy? Hello, Poppy? Hello? Okay, no, it's fine. I will choose Kamogelo.
No, sir. I have no answer, sir.
Okay, let's go to Kanyisile.
You bored.
Hello?
No, I'm bored. I miss you. Okay. Shoot.
Hello, Kanyisile, my girl.
I
Hello?
said anything. I said I'm bored. I miss you. You like okay?
Okay, it seems like Kanyisile is busy. Who wants to try? Poppy? Okay, it seems like Poppy logged. Sean? Okay. No one wants to try. Tracy, yes. Hello, Tracy. Hello, Tracy. Okay, Aaron has volunteered. I'll be with you now, Aaron. Okay. Yes, Aaron.
I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
it's one.
try.
It's 1 over x minus
Yes.
1. Then I said plus 3. So that means it's what's this? I will like add the like terms. So it's
Yes.
1
Over
1
X.
yes, over x. So
Yeah.
it's 1 minus 3, and the new graph of h of x will be 1 over x minus 2.
You are right, but you missed. It's plus 2, not minus 2.
Oh,
Because you know why?
the sign changes when it goes to the other side.
Yeah, no, beside that, it was negative 1 plus 3. So negative 1 plus 3 is what?
It's 2.
It's 2, basically. So basically, this is your answer. Your new graph h of x is equals to 1 over x plus 2. Because in the f of x, you are given 1 over x minus 1. So when you add 3 into minus 1, it becomes plus 2. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. Thanks for trying, Aaron. Thank you
Yes.
so much. Hey.
Mm.
Okay, cool. Let me unmute Aaron. Thanks a lot. Okay, guys, let's look at the next question now. It was very easy, Kamuhelo. It was indeed very easy. All these questions are easy, guys. Are the things that you know, basically. Let's look at this 6.3. I mean 6.1. It says to you, f of x is equals to ax squared plus c. F passes through x-axis at d -5 and d -1, where d is the element of real numbers. Determine the value of d. Determine the value of d. Determine the value of d. Well done, Aaron. Aaron got d is equals to 3. Very good, guys. So basically, let me take you through for those who do not understand why d is equals to 3. Why? Because now what you need to do, you just need to say your d minus 5 plus d minus 1 is equals to 0. Then group the like terms and the unlike terms. D and D is going to be 2D. When you take minus 5 and minus 1 to the other side, it will be 6. Therefore, 2D is equals to 6. Therefore, when you divide by 2 both sides, D is equals to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of D, I mean, the value of D, it will be 3. Very good. Now, it says to you, determine the values of A and C if it is also given that f of 1 is equals to -9. This one needs more thinking. This one needs more thinking. Determine the values of A and C if it is also given that f1 is equals to -9. Okay, I would have to take you through in this one also. So we want this value of A and the value of C. So basically here, guys, when we look at this one, you just need to put everything. So basically, when you look at 6.3, boys and girls, so we know that y is equals to a, you open your bracket, x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then they said if this was 1, so if this f of 1 was -9, your y, which means is -9. Therefore, you'll put -9. Then you're going to have a 1 minus 2, like that. Then where there is x, you'll put 1. So where there is x, they've substituted 1. Where there is y, they've substituted -9. Therefore, the value of a, -1 times 3 times a is -9. -3a. I mean, it's negative. Yeah, it's negative. Yeah, this is just negative. What they did here, it's 3, -1, and this it should be negative. Yeah, it should be -9. Therefore, they divided by -3 both sides. Therefore, a is equals to 3. Therefore, f of x is equals to 3x squared minus 4. When you say 3 times x squared, it's 3x squared. When you say 3 times -4, it's -12. Therefore, the point C is given by -12. So your A is equals to 3 and C is equals to -12. Perfect. Okay. I want us guys to also look at this one. Remember this one now, guys. Remember, okay, before, let me just go back here. Well, just wait, guys. Okay, cool. I just need to go back here. So it says a hyperbola H is described with the following characteristics. The equation of vertical asymptote is x is equals to 0. The range, I said the range is the maximum of y, of h is negative infinity to 3, 3 is to infinity. The x-intercept of h is 2 is to 0. Determine the equation of h. What will be the equation of h if the vertical asymptotes are x is equals to 0, whereas the range is from negative infinity to 3 and 3 to infinity, and the x-intercepts of h is 2 to 0. What are the equations of h? So the equation of h for question 7 now, very easy. So you're supposed to have your you're supposed to have your hyperbola equation, of which is your h of x is equals to a over x plus 3. Why are we saying plus 3 here? Because we were told here that range is 3. We were told here that the range is 3. Basically, you can't go above, beyond 3. Therefore, basically, you substitute your x and y. Remember, h of x can be also given as y. Therefore, also your x is 2, your y is 0, because we were given the coordinates, right? The x-intercepts of h is 2 and 0, right? Therefore, you substitute 0 in y and 2 in x. Therefore, you take 3 to the other side, it will be negative 3. Then 3 times negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Therefore, a is equals to negative 6. Therefore, h of x is equals to negative 6, of which is your a over x plus 3. Okay, boys and girls, that's from me today. We finished much more earlier, but I hope everything makes sense. We are done with our functions. But guys, just a word of advice, if you've got any questions, you are more than welcome to email me, guys. It doesn't mean that when I stop teaching you today, we'll even lose connections, right? But you know what, guys, you are more than welcome to always email me at nkosihector28@gmail.com. Let me just show you my email address so that you can copy it down. So for those who don't know me, because today is the last day, I just decided on showing my face. I'll miss you so much, guys. And yeah, as I said to you guys, always email me. Whether it's after lockdown, whether you are in grade 11, whether you are in grade 12, guys, I'm here to help you. If you need more past papers, always try by all means to reach out, guys. Yeah, it's very sad because I was starting to be attached to you guys, and today it's my last day. So yeah, from my side, I'm saying keep well. If you want to be a maths guru, guys, you have to do your maths almost every day. Don't stop until you reach your destination, guys. Always strive for the best, guys. I wish you all the best, and I know that you're going to be somebody later in life. I know that some of you are going to be future engineers, future accountants, future what you name them, guys, right? So from my side, goodbye.